guys, me and my dad we just got the Raspberry Pi material and we're going to be doing a project with them. So I'm going to be showing you everything that we got. Okay, so first we have the micro HDMI adapters. And then right here we have the network cables. Here we have the HDMI cord. This is the power source supplies. And then this is a acrylic stackable Raspberry Pi case. And these are Samsung Microsoftic SDHC 32 gigabyte thingies. And then we have a Raspberry Pi 4. So I'm going to open this up. Can't open this. Okay, so this is for the people that haven't seen a Raspberry Pi 4. This is what it looks like. Yeah, very cool. So mini computer.
So I just kind of wanted to show what you get when you get the Raspberry Pi. First off, I got it at on the link from the raspberrypi.org. The guys that sold me this one was OKDO. So when you go to the front page, the home page, you'll see it at the bottom. You scroll down to the bottom, you see all the different resellers. And it's really the only people that had the 4G, the 4 gigabyte model. And they didn't limit you to one per household. Some other people are limiting you to one per household because I guess they're very popular. But that website wasn't doing that. I guess we'll just kind of go over a little bit of what's going on here. But the connectors, you got two 4K video out, so you can do two dual monitors. You can do this is the power, which is a USB-C. That's what everything is going to now. You got the 3.5 millimeter jack for sound, for headphones, or connect a speaker. But you can also connect the speaker via Bluetooth. You got four USB ports, USB 2, USB 3, gigabit internet connection, internet capability. This is going to be it's called a SoC. It's a system on a chip, I believe. So it's got I believe it integrates a GPU, the CPU, the Wi-Fi stuff in there. So that's that right there. And these are gonna be the GPIO pins to connect any kind of hardware, give it power. And on the bottom you have where the micro SD card goes in to install your operating system. It's got the Bluetooth 5.0, Ethernet. Let's see, it's got a quad-core processor, 64-bit processor at 1.5 gigahertz. You've got 1 GB options, 2 GB options, of 4 GB gigabytes, and this is for the RAM. I've got the 4. Got a 40 pin GPIO. Let's see what else. 5-volt DC is the power source, which is right here, like I said. Let's see what else. Yeah, I think that's about it for the Raspberry Pi. I mean, they're really awesome little computers. Everything. So that's it for the Raspberry Pi. That's it for this video. We're gonna be making some more videos on different projects.
Hope you enjoy following our journey. Bye. See you next time.